In the past 30 years, Taiwan biomedical research community has witnessed a great change of the landscape. At the beginning, Taiwan's biomedical community focused only on the basic research, and especially some of the mechanisms study. But however, about 20 years ago, Taiwan gradually developed a competence in the clinical research, largely due to the well-trained physician and the clinical investigator, and also a very good healthcare system. So with this development, the next stage, the Taiwan biomedical community will look for a true innovative and high-impact biotech industry. So how can Taiwan become a valuable player in the international pharmaceutical arena? I think the first part, this has been done for many years, is to cooperate or conduct the clinical trial initiated by international pharmaceutical company. For example, Taiwan can conduct many early phase and very innovative clinical trial for the disease common in Asia, such as liver disease, and also some Asian-specific, more common cancer. So we have many young investigators or experienced investigators. They already work with many pharmaceutical companies to help them to develop the protocol and also conduct the early phase clinical trial. Then later translated into the large scale clinical trial, and finally complete the trial and reaching the primary endpoint. So finally, several now very important clinical product or device or drug become available and approved by USA, FDA, by EU, only through the clinical trial completed in Taiwan. Recently, there is a great change of the trend in Taiwan biotech sector. About 15 years ago, many small startup biotech companies were launched in Taiwan. This company, although they are small, but very active. So they licensed a patent either from overseas or from Taiwan community, research community. And the next step, they are developed through their in-house expertise, become the new device or new drug, like the new IND. Afterwards, they work together with Taiwan clinical investigator to design the protocol, and finally executed the clinical trial in Taiwan and also in the Asian area. With this, in the last 5 years, we actually completed a few phase 2 and even a few phase 3 clinical trial for the Taiwan biotech company. So this is just showing the great potential for the Taiwan biotech in the future. Although what is the prospect for Taiwan biotech? I believe the globalization is the most important factor. Regarding this point, Taiwan's biotech or clinical community, we will collaborate with international pharmaceutical company and try to develop, working together to develop new IND and a new drug or new therapy. But at the same time, we will put emphasis especially for the local Taiwan biotech company. The future will be how this Taiwan biotech company can tackle important disease, especially the Asian disease. With this starting point, they can develop new and very potent, first-in-the-class therapy for Asian people. Then later, the effort will spread to the worldwide. My dream in the future, maybe 20 years later, Taiwan can have a company with brand name as the Novartis and Astra in the future.